Samsung enters the metaverse race, developing virtual reality headset. Samsung is reportedly developing a virtual reality headset under the Galaxy name as its first metaverse-related product. And here comes the biggest question. Is it going to make it affordable or not? Samsung Electronics is ramping up its research and development of metaverse-related technologies to fuel its new growth engines, joining a growing list of global tech firms that bet big on the new sector. So welcome to TechVerse, you all. We are back with another interesting video. Here today, we are going to tell you about what are the new metaverse products that Samsung debuts. So without any further ado, let's get into the video right away. Samsung Vice Chairman Han Zhonghee recently discussed the topic with several employees and confirmed the company's plans to roll out Samsung's version of the metaverse, according to sources. "We will be creating a Samsung version of the metaverse. Please come up with several ideas and help them materialize," Han said, as Yonhap News Agency reported. This was not the first time the top executive had mentioned the need to delve into the emerging technology, which is seen as the next big thing in the global tech industry. In November, Facebook officially changed its name to Meta, believing that the metaverse is the next evolution of social connections, with plans to invest $10 billion in the new technology. At March's annual shareholders meeting, Han chose the metaverse and robotics as the tech giant's new growth areas. "We will launch metaverse devices and solutions so that consumers can experience the new technology," he said at the time. Han made a similar remark in February during the 2022 MWC in Barcelona, Spain. Samsung, the world's largest memory chip and mobile phone maker, recently set up a task force dedicated to the subject, reporting directly to Han and reportedly making its first metaverse-related under the name Galaxy. It's developing a virtual reality headset as a product. Samsung Research, the R&D hub of the company's Device Experience or DX unit, studying next-generation display technologies and device prototyping, as well as different usage scenarios according to the company, and device prototypes according to the company. Samsung has also used the metaverse for marketing and entertainment. The company has created a virtual store, the Samsung 837X, on the blockchain-powered virtual world Decentraland to showcase its latest flagship Galaxy S22 series, which is a replica of its real-life flagship New York store. Counterpoint Research's global refurb smartphone tracker says that with prices of new flagship smartphones remaining high, a large chunk of consumers are considering buying refurbished models from popular brands such as Apple and Samsung. What is the metaverse? The metaverse is a concept of persistent, online 3D universe that combines multiple different virtual spaces. You can think of it as a future iteration of the internet. The metaverse will allow users to work, meet, game, and socialize together in these 3D spaces. The metaverse isn't fully in existence, but some platforms contain metaverse-like elements. Virtual games currently provide the closest metaverse experience on offer. Developers have pushed the boundaries of what a game is through hosting in-game events and creating virtual economies. Although not required, cryptocurrencies can be a great fit for a metaverse. They allow for creating a digital economy with different types of utility tokens and virtual collectibles, or NFTs. The metaverse would also benefit from the use of crypto wallets such as Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Also, blockchain technology can provide transparent and reliable governance systems. Blockchain, metaverse-like applications already exist and provide people with livable incomes. Axie Infinity is one play-to-earn game that many users play to support their income. Second Life and Decentraland are other examples of successfully mixing the blockchain world and virtual reality apps. When we look to the future, big tech giants are trying to lead the way. However, the decentralized aspects of the blockchain industry are letting smaller players participate in the metaverse's development as well. What's the future of the metaverse? Facebook is one of the loudest voices for the creation of a unified metaverse. This is particularly interesting for a crypto-powered metaverse due to Facebook's Diem stablecoin project. Mark Zuckerberg has explicitly mentioned his plans to use a metaverse project to support remote work and improve financial opportunities for people in developing countries. Facebook's ownership of social media, communication, and crypto platforms give it a good start in combining all these worlds into one. Other large tech companies are also targeting the creation of a metaverse, including Microsoft, Apple, and Google. When it comes to a crypto-powered metaverse, further integration between NFT marketplaces and 3D virtual universes seems like the next step. NFT holders can already sell their goods from multiple sources on marketplaces like OpenSea and Bakery Swap, but there isn't yet a popular 3D platform for this. On a bigger scale, blockchain developers might develop popular metaverse-like applications with more organic users than a large tech giant. What are the new metaverse products that Samsung Galaxy debuts? Samsung unpacks a new experience by virtually recreating New York City flagship store in Decentraland's 3D virtual world. Samsung 837, the South Korean tech company's flagship experience center in Manhattan's fashionable and retail-forward meatpacking district, has added a new location. Only this new shopping paradise is in the metaverse. Called Samsung 837X, the digital twin flagship is a fully immersive and explorable experience that features quests, NFT prizes, product drops, events, and live performances for users, visitors, and Samsung fans. The Decentraland Samsung brand experience is a blockchain-powered virtual space that consumers can connect to and explore simply by using their desktop browser. Decentraland is a digital playground where members, after connecting their crypto wallets, are able to purchase plots of land as NFTs. For access to full features, users get to design their avatars, including hairstyles, clothing, and accessories. Once inside the world of Decentraland, users can buy and sell exclusive digital assets and explore the immersive experience using their personal avatar. The Samsung 837X Digital Twin Store was designed explicitly to deliver metaverse-based interactions that fuse contemporary pop culture with Samsung's distinct product and technological innovations. There are 3 worlds contained with Samsung 837X, each connecting thematically and experientially to Samsung's core initiatives and brand pillars of sustainability, customization, and connectivity. Within each ever-evolving experience, visitors' avatars can go on exciting quests, collect NFT wearables and other digital assets, or simply play around and have fun. Samsung recently used the 837X Metaverse space as a satellite location for its Unpacked 2022 event, an annual reveal of the company's latest and greatest products. During Unpacked 2022, Samsung unveiled the next generation of Galaxy S devices, including the first reveal of the Galaxy S22 phone and Galaxy Tab S8. The 360-degree immersive environment is the perfect store as stage for Samsung, and the company streamed the big Unpacked event on Facebook, Twitch, and TikTok, as well as in the digital twin. 837X features a connectivity theater, which serves as a direct link to Samsung's stage, relaying news and details from events regarding the company's latest products. To attend Samsung's event, consumers were able to sign up by either using their crypto wallet or simply logging in as a guest. After arriving at the event, attendees were able to also personalize their avatar with hairstyles, clothing, and accessories, all of which could be purchased within the virtual flagship. Along with live product drops, Samsung's Metaverse Hub also featured quests within its sustainability forest that led to exclusive NFTs and a live mixed reality dance party on the customization stage. Everyone's raving about all the potential benefits of the metaverse, but there is a darker side too. Here are 7 potential downsides to the metaverse. So are there any consequences of metaverse? Privacy issues. The metaverse is the next version of the internet, and we use technology like augmented and virtual reality to immerse ourselves in the digital world. With all this digitization comes privacy challenges. We already have privacy concerns when we browse the web. The technology that is already tracking our behavior online will also exist in the metaverse, and the tracking is likely to become even more invasive and intense. Protecting our kids. As parents, it's already difficult to track what our kids are doing online, and that challenge will continue with the metaverse. Understanding what our kids are doing in the metaverse will be even more challenging because we can't see the world they're looking at in their VR headset, and there's no process in place for monitoring their screens using tablets or phones. Health concerns. VR hangovers are a known phenomenon, and people can also experience post-VR sadness. When we have experienced an amazingly immersive world and have to come back into the real world, it can make us depressed and sad. And the more incredible our immersive experiences become, the more people will struggle with this. Metaverse laws. Can a virtual act be a crime? The metaverse will bring regulatory challenges and will introduce new gray areas in many laws. For example, if you are in virtual reality and you're wearing a haptic suit and someone in the virtual world touches you without your permission, how is this different from an assault in the real world? We will need to face these regulatory challenges as technology advances and thorny legal issues emerge. So guys, that's all for today's videos. If you like this video, then give the video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so that you will never miss any updates.